I recently made this. This is actually a towel rack. It's kind of more of a, looks more like a coat rack or somewhere to hang your robe or something like that. But I'm actually going to use it as a towel rack in my kid's bathroom. And for the hangers on the back, I'm using this style of a hanger because I want it to be able to be pretty secure to the wall, so as you're putting a towel on and off of it, you're not pulling it down off the wall. So just want to take a couple of minutes today to show you how to make the hole to receive these and get these mounted. I'm not going to do it on this one because unfortunately I should have put them on before I mounted my knob, so it's going to be a little difficult to do. So I'm just going to show you on this piece of wood right here. Now this is a what's called a Forstner bit, and this is a 1-inch bit. It happens to fit the size of my hanger, which is just a tad under 1 inch. And this is the type that you want to use. You don't really want to use a spade bit, also known as a paddle bit, because the point sticks out so far that you're probably going to drill through the front side of whatever it is that you're hanging. So you'll probably need to get you a Forstner bit. You can get these at Harbor Freight pretty cheap, and they're pretty good. They come in a set if you want the whole set. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is just drill your first hole as deep as the hanger. Now when you're looking at these, one side has a countersink for the screws that you put it in. You want to put that side up. And then that feels just a little bit shy. I'm going to make it a little deeper. Okay, yeah, that's better. Now, you need to get the orientation so that it is straight up and down to the piece that you're hanging. So we're going to say that's correct right there. And now you just want to mark the inside. It can be kind of a rough, doesn't have to be exact. Mark the inside of that. It leaves you with a little keyhole that you've drawn. So now you want to find a bit that fits that hole. In this instance, it's a 3/8 bit for me. And you want to drill out the big hole right here, and then you're going to take the edge of that bit and come just to the top of your keyhole. And there you go. That's got your hole made. Now, if you may need to clean the edges up with a little bit of a chisel or something, but in most cases that's not necessary. Alright, so then with the countersink side up, you just set it in place. Now you want this to be straight up and down. Put your screws in. Okay, so then it gives you space for your screw head to go in there and secure whatever it is onto the wall. You can also use a countersink screw like that. Alright, so that's how you install these things. Hope that was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.